guys, once again welcome back to the channel World Through My Lens. So आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे रिजॉर्ट की जो कि कसौली में है and drive to this place is for 5 to 6 hours from Delhi. It is an excellent place for couples and families if you want to stay in the calm and peaceful environment away from the crowd of Kasauli. And definitely अगर आप एक small staycation plan कर रहे हैं तो आप यहाँ बहुत ही आसानी से पहुँच सकते हैं. The best part about this place is it is very hygienic and clean. The rooms are well appointed with all the basic luxuries. The best part about this resort is the breathtaking valley views from its balcony. Now imagine a hot cup of coffee or tea with these amazing views. और यहाँ की बालकनी से आप लोग मेन कसौली का नज़ारा भी देख सकते हैं. यहाँ की cleanliness and positive vibes will definitely make your stay worth. Their menu is limited, but the quality and taste is top-notch. You can order special meals for your little ones like porridge, khichdi, which they are happy to make. Hotel is super clean and you will not find a speck of dust in the entire property. और अगर आप इस रिजॉर्ट में ऑलरेडी रुक चुके हैं तो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना ना भूलें. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.